Hello everyone, welcome to GS Academy. In this video, we are going to study a few word problems based on ratios. So the first question is, divide rupees 715 among A, B and C in such a way that B gets 3 times as much as A gets and C gets half of as much as B gets. So if we just focus on this part of the question, we will take the ratios as A is to B is to C. So B gets 3 times as much as A gets. So that means what? From this statement, B is dependent on A and C gets half of as much as B gets. So that means what? C is dependent on B. So in such case, we will assume A as X. B is 3 times of A. So this becomes 3X and C is half of B. So 3X upon 2. So the ratio will be A is to B is to C is X is to 3X is to 3X upon 2. Now there is denominator present here. So in order to remove the denominator, we have to take the LCM. You can go through the playlist of ratio and proportion and you can see the step-by-step explanation of removal of denominators part. So as the denominator is 2, the LCM will be 2 here. So by multiplying 2, we will get it as 2 into X is to 3X into 2 is to 3x upon 2 into 2. So 2 gets cancelled out. So 2x is to 6x is to 3x. This will be the newly formed ratio of A is to B is to C. Now we have to divide this 715 amongst A, B and C. So this is the overall value of A, B and C. So we will add up these ratios. So this becomes 2x plus 6x plus 3x is equals to 715. So 2 plus 6 gives us 8 plus 3 11. So this becomes 11x is equals to 715. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 11 over here. So this becomes 715 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 6 are 5 here. So 11 5s are 55. So the value of x will be 65. Now, in order to find A's share, we will write it as A's ratio part was 2x. So we will write it down as 2x. Now substitute the value of x here. So 2 into 65, which gives us rupees 130. So A's share was 130. Likewise, we will solve B's share. So ratio was 6x. So that means 6 into 65. That gives us rupees 390. So 390 was B's share. And C's share will be, according to the ratio, it's 3x. So this becomes 3 into 65. That gives us rupees 3 5s is 15. So 3 6 are 18 plus 1 is 19. So C's share was rupees 195. If you find this video interesting, just like my video and subscribe to my channel. So next question is, divide rupees 760 among A, B and C in such a way that A gets 5 by 6th of what B gets and the ratio of the shares of B and C is 3 is to 4. Now according to the question, they have already given us the ratio of B is to C, that is 3 is to 4, and we have to find the ratio of A. A, B and C separately, but first we will see what will be the ratio for A. Now A's share is what? 5 by 6th of B. So according to the ratio, B is 3x. So we will multiply 5 6th with 3x. So this becomes 3 1s and 3 2s. So A's share will be 5 by 2x. So here we will write it down as 5x upon 2. This will be x, this will be x. Consider the ratios with the x. Now again here there is a denominator part. So LCM will be 2. So we will multiply 2 throughout the ratio. So this becomes 2 into 5x upon 2 is to 3x into 2 is to 4x into 2. So 2 gets cancelled out. So newly formed ratios will be 5x is to 3 2s is 6x is to 8x. Now this is the newly formed ratio of A is to B is to C. Now 760 was overall sum of A, B and C. So we will add this ratio. So this becomes 5x plus 6x plus 8x is equals to 760. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. So this gives us 19x is equals to 760. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 19 on the other side. So this becomes 760 divided by 19. 19 ones are, 19 fours are, and this 0. So x value is 40. Now in order to find A's share, we will compare with the new ratios. So A's part was 5x. So this becomes 5x. Substitute the value of x. So 5 into 40. So this becomes rupees 200. So A's share was rupees 200 from 760. Now B's share. B's share is 6x. So this becomes 6x. Substitute the value of x. So this becomes 6 into 40. 6 fours are is 24. So this becomes rupees 240. So B's share was rupees 240. Now for C's share. So 8x. Substitute the value of x. So this gets 8 into 40. 8 fours are is rupees 32. So C's share will be rupees 320. Please subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. The boys and girls in a school are in the ratio 8:3. So the ratio for this question will be boys is to girls, which is given as 8:3. If the number of girls is 405, how many boys are there in the school? So total number of girls is mentioned, that is 405. We have to find the number of boys in the school. So according to the question, number of girls will be 3x. So this is what the ratio of boys is to girls. So among this ratio, girls part was 3x. So this will be 3x is equals to 405. So we will write it down as 3x is equals to 405. So in order to find the value of x, we will shift this 3 here. So this becomes x is equals to 405 divided by 3. Now this will be 3 ones are. 3 ones are 3, 1 carry forwarded here, 3 threes are 9, 1 carry forwarded here, 3 fives are is 15. So the value for x will be 135. Now in order to find the number of boys, boys part was 8x. So number of boys will be 8x. Now substitute the value of x in this ratio. So this becomes 8 into 135. So 8 fives are is 40, carry over 4, 8 threes are is 24, plus 4 is 28, carry over 2, 8 ones are 8 plus 2 is 10. So number of boys was 1080. Now the last question of this video is, an alloy contains copper and zinc in the ratio 7:3. There is one alloy whose ratio is copper is to zinc, that is 7:3. If it contains 12.6 gram of copper, so value of copper is given, that is 12.6 grams. How much does this alloy weigh? So copper value is given, so we will consider copper's ratio, copper's part as 7x, and zinc's ratio is 3x. So 7x is equals to 12.6 grams. So in order to find the value of x, we will shift this 7 here. So this becomes x is equals to 12.6 divided by 7. So this will be 7 ones are 7. So 12 minus 7 gives us 5. So 1.8. So x value will be 1.8. Now in order to find the part of zinc, we will take the ratio 3x, substitute the value of x. So this becomes 3 into 1.8. So 3 8s are is 24. 4 carry over 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5.6 grams will be zinc's part. So overall alloy's weight will be, alloy is equals to copper plus zinc. So weight for copper was 12.6 and weight for zinc is 5.4. So we will add this up. So it gives us 6 plus 4 is 10, carry over 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 here. So overall weight of alloy was 18 grams. I hope this concept is clear. Follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is mentioned here. Thank you.